Hot. You can tell by my sweat curl. I'm painting this and I'm using cabinet and door roller, a Purdy brush, Benjamin Moore paint, all the right things, but it's like coming out so bubbly. Like, look at the texture of the paint. It's like bubbles. I don't know what's going on. It's not going well. I am just going to keep going and hope that a second coat does it. Alright, I have my first coat on. I don't know why they're doing that. I think it might be my roller. Just bubbles up. I don't know. Okay guys, so I got a second coat of everything on the kitchen. I just have one more coat on the doors outside. They're drying on the back part. This is how it's looking so far. Looks pretty good. Ooh, it dried pretty smooth. And now I just have to decide if I want to do black handles or brass. I think brass would look better and would be cuter, but we just have so many silver pieces in the house that I don't know if it would clash with them. So we'll see. right, so I'm putting in the handles and I'm mostly just guessing, but see right here, we made this drawer so it's extra long. So I'm gonna use a bigger drill bit to drill just a little bit in here so that the screw head will fit in. So here's our screw, but it won't be long enough to reach the handle. So I'm gonna get a bigger drill bit so that this part will sit within here. So there's my little holes. So now I need to do a little more. All right, we're getting there. So I have on those handles. Those handles, I have the doors on. The old handles are where these holes are, is the wrong side. So I need to fill them and then paint over it and then drill new holes. And then this one's gonna be weird because it has to open from this side because it has no other end. And then I have to paint that, and I have to paint the board on the bottom and then fix some of it like chipped when they sat together. So I have to fix those. And then I think I'm gonna try to make it so the trash can fits behind there. And then I got a basket to hang all of our fruit, and I also got a shelf to put our plates on. So I'm gonna do all that also. I'm going to hang the fruit basket here, I think, so I need to move this plant. So I'm gonna hang a hook right there. I got these when I was in Texas, so I'm gonna use one of those. All right, here's my basket. Oh, it's so cute. It's so small. It's a little smaller than I expected, but it's cute. Let's hang it up. Alright guys, so I have all the hinges on, all the doors on, but I need to finish adding the handles. I puttied these old holes and filled them in, and now I'm going to paint over them and finish painting down there and this corner here that's hidden. And some parts got scuffed up like here, so I'm going to repaint those. And then I'll need another coat, and I also think I'm going to fill like that little, I'm gonna turn that green, and some things here and there.